Welcome back to day 22 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. We've been baby stepping for 22 days now, and I'm sure you've seen some drastic results. Today's baby step is super duper fun and it's going to change your whole entire life. But first, in the morning, we have been dressing to shoes, making our beds, doing a 2-minute hot spot, a 5-minute room rescue, a 15-minute email declutter. We've been starting our load of laundry. We've also been doing a cleaning mission. This week, we're still on entryway. So wherever your entryway is, be sure to pick your designated area to work on. Also for your decluttering session, 15 minutes of that. After those 15 minutes, we're going to take a 15-minute rest. Feel free to separate that between morning and afternoon, whatever works best for you, but I would highly recommend keeping it away from the evening if your schedule allows. In the evening though, we have been shining our sinks, picking out our clothes for the next day, checking out our calendar, and going to bed on time. And all day we have been saying kind words to ourselves. Today we're going to add a new one on the list, and that will be to check our control journal. So that means that today we're going to build said control journal. If you haven't done so already, be sure to get all those trackers and freebie down below, print them out, and today's the day we're going to put them inside our control journal. Also, there's some inspo pages. Be sure to get that down below. Also, for free, be sure to print your own. Any other thing that pertains to your family, such as budgets, meal planning, schedules of any sorts, any homeschool information, be sure to put that all there, because this is going to be essentially your home guide. Anyone that opens this book should be able to effectively know how to manage your home in the event that, God forbid, you weren't feeling well or were out of town or something like this. It also helps to keep us on track as well, because we don't have to have everything running about in our minds. Also, if you want more details and you want to go even deeper, don't forget to join the Homemaker Circle at just $10 or $20 a month. And right after this challenge, we're going to do an exclusive challenge just for the Homemakers Circle group, so you're not going to want to miss out on that. Be sure to get it. Like I said, it's just $10 or $20 a month, depending which tier you want to go. And if you want to see exactly how I build my control journal, you can check out this video here, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 23 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.